Students, today we will start a very important and new topic. But let's before see the video.
Pizza's here.
Hooray! Yippee!
Let's eat then.
So yummy. Anna, tell us what you've learned about fractions. A fraction can be a part of a whole. For example, we are a family of 5. 2 adults, mom and dad, and 3 kids. Me and my siblings. Very well, so what fractions would reflect this data? I know that 2/5 of the group are adults. Number 5 below the line is called the denominator. It indicates that we are 5 people in the group. Number 2 above the line is called the numerator. It indicates the 2 people in the group are adults.
Exactly. So, what fraction would represent the number of kids in our family?
3/5. In this group of 5, 3 people are kids. Well done, Anna. 4 cheese pizza, my favorite.
The first pizza was delicious. Let's try the second one. Anna, did you know that if we divide an object into 2 equal parts, we would also have fractions? This pizza, for example, if we divided it in 4 equal parts and ate one of them, you would have eaten 1/4 of the pizza. The rest stays in the box. What fraction would that be?
Well, if there are 3 alike pieces left in the box, and there were 4 pieces before, there are 3/4 of pizza left.
That's it. The number below the line is the denominator. It indicates into how many equal parts the object is divided. In this case, it's divided in 4 parts. The numerator is the number above the line. It indicates the number of parts taken away from the whole.
Today, our chapter related to this parts and whole. That means what is parts, what is whole, and what is fraction.
Now technical issues.
Look here, a cake with 1/4, that means 1/4, removed. The remaining 3/4 are shown. Dotted line indicate where the cake may be cut in order to divide it into equal parts. Each fourth of the cake is denoted by the fraction 1/4. A fraction is a Latin word
Fractal.
fractus, that means broken, represents a part of a whole, or more generally any number of equal parts. When spoken in everyday English, a fraction describes how many parts of a certain size there are. For example, 1/2, 8/5, 3/4. A common, vulgar or simple fraction. Examples: 1/2, 1/2, and 17/3, 17/3 consist of a numerator displayed above a line or before a slash, and a non-zero denominator displayed below or after that line. Numerator and denominator are also used in fractions that are not common, including compound fractions, complex fractions, and mixed numerals.
Write them.
Write them. Look here again. Example of fractions. 1/2 is blue and 1/2 is
Two
and
parts.
another one 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4.
Four.
All parts 1 by 4. That means circle is divided into 4 equal parts. The main things here, numerator and denominator. Again, look here. The first time you saw a fraction, you probably noticed that there were two numbers involved, a top number and a bottom number. You may have wondered that what these numbers are and what they represent. These two numbers are called a numerator and a denominator, and they both represent different things. The simplest way to define a numerator and a denominator is the following. Numerator, the top number of a fraction. Denominator, the bottom number of a fraction. Consider these examples. The fraction 4 by 7 has a top number 4 and a bottom number 7. Therefore, the numerator is 4 and the denominator is 7. Now, come on our chapter, parts and wholes. You must have seen the flag of our country. Do you know how to draw the flag? You can try to draw our Indian national flag. The top part of the flag is saffron, that means kesariya rang, and middle part white, safed, and bottom part green, that means hara color, हरा रंग. अब आप लोग हमें बताइए कि इस फ्लैग को हम 3 इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड करने की कोशिश अगर करते हैं तो सफ़ेद कलर या केसरिया कलर जो है या सैफरॉन कलर जो है और जो ग्रीन कलर है वो सब कितने कितने पार्ट्स में हैं. ये 3 इक्वल पार्ट्स में बांटा गया है तो टॉप 1 हो गया. हम लोग यहाँ देखेंगे कि कितने इक्वल पार्ट में बांटा गया है. तो न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर में हम लोग वही करेंगे, जितने पार्ट्स में बांटा जाए उसे हम नीचे लिखेंगे. तो ये 3 इक्वल पार्ट्स. और सैफरॉन कलर कितना पार्ट हो गया? 1, दैट मीन्स 1/3. सेम एज ग्रीन पार्ट्स में आते हैं, ये भी 3 इक्वल पार्ट्स में है और 1 हो गया इसका न्यूमरेटर. यानी 3 में से 1 पार्ट जो है ये है ग्रीन कलर और 3 में से 1 पार्ट जो है ये है सैफरॉन. और वाइट कलर भी 3 में से 1 पार्ट ही है, लेकिन वाइट कलर का रेशियो 1/3 नहीं होके उससे कम हो जाएगा, लेस देन 1/3. क्यों? क्योंकि उसके बीच में ब्लू कलर से एक अशोक चक्र का साइन बना हुआ है. तो ये क्या हो गया? लेस देन 1/3. लेस देन 1/3. आप जब रेक्टेंगल ड्रॉ कीजिएगा तो ये ध्यान रखिएगा कि उसका लेंथ और हाइट जो है, लेंथ और विड्थ जो है आप बुक में लिखे अनुसार 9 सेंटीमीटर लेंथ एंड 6 सेंटीमीटर विड्थ ट्राई कीजिएगा. अब आप सवालों के जवाब दीजिए. वेयर विल यू ड्रॉ द अशोक चक्र? अशोक चक्र आप मिडिल पार्ट में ड्रॉ करते हैं. हाउ मच ऑफ द फ्लैग विल यू कलर ग्रीन? One by 3 part of the flag you will color green. Is the white color now less than 1/3 of the flag? Yes, white color is the less than 1/3 because white part have blue Ashoka Chakra. Next, Afghanistan, and the black part is 1/3. The green part of the flag is 1/3. Is red less than 1/3 of the flag? Yes. Why? Because in the red part there is a logo present. There is a white logo present in the red part. So, red part is less than 1/3. And next, this is the flag of Myanmar, our neighbor, हमारा पड़ोसी देश म्यांमार है. Is blue more than 1/4 of the flag or less? Guess how much of the flag is red? It is more than half. Is it more than 3/4? हमें इस फ्लैग को ड्रॉ करना होगा और इसको पार्ट वाइज करना होगा. सबसे पहले इसे हम हाफ करने की कोशिश करेंगे. तो ये 3/4 जो है वो रेड दिख रहा है और 1/4 जो है वो ब्लू दिख रहा है. इसे बारीकी से ब्लू में चूंकि व्हाइट लोगो है तो 1/4 से भी कम पार्ट है ब्लू और रेड जो है वो हाफ से ज्यादा है.
में भी 3/4 से ज़्यादा है.
तो हमें इसका जवाब देना है ब्लू पार्ट इज लेस देन 1/4 एंड रेड पार्ट may be more than 3/4 because it is not exact clear but it is more than half. यहाँ तक तो क्लियर है कि ये आधा से अधिक है और 3/4 से अधिक है कि नहीं ये चूंकि इसका मेजरमेंट एक सही से लिखा हुआ नहीं है और पिक्चर में इसे पता करना मुश्किल हो सकता है. तो it is more than half, that is confirmed, but maybe it is 3/4 or maybe it is more than 3/4.
यहाँ तक के सवालों का जवाब आप दीजिए और फिर हम लोग क्या करेंगे, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट पार्ट सॉल्व करेंगे. ओके, तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद.